let's delve into the history of the Internet of Things. Let's talk about the IoTs in the Stone Ages, that is up to 1990s. Wireless communication began by rubbing two copper wires together to produce analog signals, to produce the 1G standards in 1979. The early days of the Internet were exciting but frustratingly slow and 99% dependent on landlines. Let's talk about the IoT upgrades in the Iron Age, that is 1991 to 1998. The first 2G wireless networks was rolled out in Finland in 1991, bringing with it the capabilities of sending SMS messages via cell phones. By 1995, a whopping 16 million people were using the internet globally. Now let's talk about IoTs in the dot-com era, that is 1999 to 2007. In 1998, the first 3G network appeared along with broadband networks, transforming the internet from a mostly text and small picture format to something approaching what we know today. The first 64-bit processors for PCs starting rolling out in 2003. The total number of internet users reached 1 billion in December of 2005. About IoTs in the early mobile era, that is from 2008 to 2015. The first iPhone was released in 2007. In 2008, 4G networks started rolling out, providing real-world download speeds of roughly 20 Mbps. Mobile phones as we know it now came into being with full web access, gaming services, HD mobile TV, cloud computing and so much more. Let's talk about the second phase of the mobile era, that is Internet of Things in 2016 to 2020. One of the biggest achievements for Internet of Things has been made with smart home assistants like Amazon's Alexa. Mobile users surpassed desktop usage in 2016. Finally, let's talk about Internet of Things for tomorrow. By 2025, there is expected to be over 75 billion IoT devices where 4G networks have peak speed of about 1 gigabyte per second. New 5G technologies will be magnified that by a factor of 20. There are many new and exciting technologies under development in areas of AI, nanotechnology and so much more. We have so many things to look forward to in the coming years. For more information, please visit www.solutionvalley.com.